This catfish is absolutely different from every other grilled catfish you have been eating. Yes. Hello guys, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Today I share with you how to make the most delicious grilled catfish suya. Yes, suya. So these are the pepper mix I'll be using. I have tomatoes, carrots, red bell pepper, onion, chili pepper, and garlic. Here is the catfish, of course, for today's recipe. All right, so if you want to see how I clean my catfish, please do well to watch my previous video on how to clean catfish perfectly, and trust me, you are going to enjoy that video. Check it out. Okay, so the first thing I will be doing is to roughly blend all of the pepper mix together. Okay, so please guys, anytime you want to make your catfish, in the pepper mix, try to add carrot. It's going to give it a special taste, trust me. So this is it guys, it is roughly blended, not that smooth. Okay, so I make it a lot because I need more of the sauce. It is absolutely delicious, so I make more of the sauce because we are going to use it to eat some other things like rice. Okay, so in my saucepan I put in some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up a little, and added my diced onion, bay leaf, little curry powder, and no cube. Okay, that is seasoning cube. I added half of it at first and mix everything together until they are well combined. Okay, so at this point I'll just add my pepper mix. Okay, as you can see, it is roughly blended. So now I'll mix it together like so. Please guys, do well to give this video a thumb up as you are watching, and if you can share it out, I'll so much appreciate. Leave me your comments down below. So I added more seasoning cube and also ginger powder. I mix it together like so. Lest I forget, I need to add salt to taste. Okay, so at this point I added salt to taste. Okay, be careful with your salt. All right, so I cover it to continue cooking, and at this point, as you can see, we give our fish some tribal mark. Okay, so you just give your fish tribal mark the way you want your tribal mark to look like on the catfish. All right. So I checked the sauce again. It is getting thick, but not so the consistency that I want, so I'll just cover it back and allow it to fry. And as you can see, yeah, this is what we want. Very thick, so delicious, absolutely delicious. Okay, so at this point I'll just turn off the gas and allow it to cool a little. Yes, just a little, because I'm using this as a surprise from my husband. I don't want him to see me or catch me when I'm doing this. I want everything to set to be ready before he comes back from work. Okay, so guys, this is the point where we are going to apply the sauce on the catfish. Okay, at this point, please be generous with your sauce. Apply as much as possible on the catfish so the sauce can penetrate into the catfish very well. Okay, so just keep watching. All right, we still have some steps to follow on this catfish. This is absolutely different from every other grilled catfish, so keep watching. Please do well to watch to the end and give this video a thumb up. Please give this video a thumb up. All right, So guys, after applying the sauce on the catfish generously, all right, then cover it up with your foil paper. Make sure it is well covered, all right, and at this point place it in your preheated oven at 180 to 200 degree Celsius, okay, and let it grill for 30 to 40 minutes. This is it. After 40 minutes, this is the catfish. Just check out how it is looking like. It is so perfect. Hey, trust me guys, oh no, it is so delicious, all right, and at this point I'm going to add my suya spice. Also be generous with your suya spice, all right. You want to have that taste of suya in your catfish. Yeah, this catfish is so delicious and different from every other grilled catfish you have been eating. Trust me, try it out and then leave me your comment. You will definitely want more. So I added more of the sauce, okay, and also some bell peppers and also diced onions. So at this point I'll just cover it up again and put it back in the oven to grill for more 10 minutes. Please guys, if you are yet to give this video a thumb up, please give me a thumb up. It is very important. Share it, leave me your comments, let me know what you think about this grilled suya catfish, okay? So check it out guys. This is so inviting, okay, so inviting. So I open it and put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes just to make the surface to be a little bit dry, all right, and this is it. Absolutely yummy, absolutely delicious. So I just dress it a little with my sauce. As you can see, I am so generous with this sauce, okay. This catfish, I am not eating it, I just open it for you to see. It is for my husband. Okay, so thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching to the end. God bless you. Please stay connected and then expect more from this channel. All right, see how beautiful it is looking like. So this is my husband. He is back enjoying the catfish. Even my daughter enjoying the catfish. Thank you all. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.